Hi, this is Derek with MoneyAhoy.com, and today we're going to look at how you can form a LLC with IncFile. I've formed several LLCs myself. I've gone the route of paying a lawyer $500 or $600 to form one, and today you don't need to do that. They've got cool sites like IncFile, which helps you file for your own LLC for $49, so it's pretty cheap, plus the state filing fees. So today we're going to walk through how you can do that, and in a quick example, it's going to take about 5 minutes. We'll show you how you can start your own LLC with IncFile quickly and cheaply. I'm going to give you several tips that are going to save you $700-800 or more. So let's jump right into it.
Okay, let's get started. You clicked on the link in the video notes. So we're going to come here, pick LLC. Now the state of formation, I've got a whole separate video on that, which I'll link below. Generally, it's easiest to form your LLC in the state which you live in, unless it's got unreasonably high state fees. And I've got a little table that explains that. And you'll see that as you come through. So we're just, for this example, going to pick Virginia. It's got very low state fees of, I think, $99. And so you can see here, that's the state fee of $100. All right, so you want to get started with the silver package. I'll explain why. The gold and platinum packages, you can check those out if you'd like, but typically they have a lot of things included which you don't really need. And it'll take you through each of these as we click along, but a lot of these things that they're trying to upgrade you with or that come with the gold and platinum, you don't really need. So let's get started with the silver. Okay, so we're just going to fill in our name here. And contact information. Okay. Just going to put in a fake address here for the purposes of this video. Okay. Okay. So in general, hopefully you've planned ahead and you don't need all of your business filing done within 5 days. So that's going to save us $50 here. So let's keep going. So your name, they're going to check your name and let you know if it's not going to work or if it's already taken, and then you can go with a secondary name. So here I'm just going to come up with a funny name here. Spicy Fun Hats. And then you're going to have LLC. You can pick what you want at the end of that. I just normally go with LLC. And we are going to be, let's see, we're going to be e-commerce. So we're going to sell our hats online. Here you generally want to have more than one member for legal reasons. It's too detailed to get into in this video, but I'll link in the video notes below why you want to consider having more than one member for your LLC. So we're going to do 2. And in this case, the second member is going to be my wife, but you could use a business partner or a friend or anything like that. Or if you're willing to assume the risk of just going with a single member, you can choose that as well. So here, you have to make sure you don't use your name and the purpose. So we're going to sell fun head coverings to people across the world. Okay, so your company address, this has to be a physical place. It does not need to be in the state. So that's important. We'll talk about that later when we get to registered agent. So in this case, we're going to be in Oregon. We are going to be in Portland, Oregon. And I don't even know what the zip code is. 9733. I don't know. Okay, we're going to move forward here. Okay, business formation kit. This comes with a bunch of stuff you do not need. You can get all of this stuff on Google very quickly and easily with just a simple search. So we are not going to want any of these. You can get the EIN number. I'll have a link for that in the comments below. for free from the IRS in about 5 minutes. All of these other things you can a quick Google search away. So we're not going to do that kit. So we just saved $100 there. So member 1, that's going to be me. And we're going to, for member 2, that's going to be same address, and I'm just going to make up a person's name. Let's pretend that's my wife's name. And I'm going to have 90%, and my wife, my fictitious wife, whose name is Summer, is going to have 10%. So now we'll go to the next one. Oh, and she's my wife, so she's got the same last name. Okay. Now, registered agent. This is a person or company that needs to be physically located in the state in which your corporation or LLC is filed. This is for if the state needs to officially get a hold of you, they can make sure they send mail to this official address. Or if someone's suing you or anything like that, they can be sure that the owners of the company are going to see it. So again, if you're registering your LLC in the same state in which you reside, you can name yourself as the registered agent and do that for free. And they'll just send mail straight to your home address. The problem is this is a public address, so anybody can see that. So I typically recommend people use a registered agent service. You can see here, IncFile would like to give that to you for the first year, and then they're going to charge you for it after that. So I'll let you decide what's best for you. You can name yourself, and your own home address would be out there. You can use IncFile as a registered agent and then get it free for a year, and then after that they're going to bill you. Or you can sign up with a separate registered agent service. I'll put a link to a registered agent service I recommend in the show notes below, and I'm going to do a future video on that so that you can check that out as well. In this case, we're going to be our own registered agent, and that's going to save us money. So that's going to be me as an individual, and it's remembering all of my fake address I put in here. If you already have a company as a registered agent, you can click here, put in their information, and they'll set that up for you automatically. Okay, $70 to get your EIN. That's a little bit insane. I'll put the link in the video notes below. You can literally do this through the IRS on their website in 5 minutes. So we do not want to pay $70 to save 5 minutes. So we're going to skip that. Okay, now small business banking, so I am not going to recommend that. You can sign up really at any credit union or any bank of your choosing to create a online business or physical business checking account and have everything set up there for you. So I'm going to assume here that you're going to set up your own checking account, business checking account with the bank of your choice. So we're going to move forward there. Okay. Now, it is sort of cool in this case to get all of your paperwork physically. It's just up to you. You can get everything electronic and print it out yourself or pay the $25 to get it sent to you. It's really up to you. If you want to go the cheapest route possible, then we'll go with electronic. Okay, tax strategy consultation. I don't really think this is necessary. If you do your own taxes, TurboTax or something like that, we'll walk you through it in its entirety. If you have a CPA which does your taxes, they can do all this stuff for you for free. So this is really just kind of a waste of time, in my opinion, and they're going to try and upsell you a bunch of stuff that you really don't need. So we're going to move on to the next step. Business licenses and permits. This is really 20 minutes of your time checking on your city or county website to find out if you need to apply for a business license or permit. If you're in construction or you're a doctor or anything like that, you'll have to get licenses and permits. So we don't need to spend $100 for IncFile to do that for us. You can spend about 20 minutes of your time on your local city or county webpage, and you'll be able to read what all is required by law. So let's move on. Okay, This is just reviewing all of the information. And you can see that's sort of what we've entered in. This is all fictitious, obviously, for this example. Now all you're going to do is put in your billing information. I won't bore you with that detail. And once you have all this filled in, you can see we've got the silver package. I've got all the notes below with links to everything that you can do, setting up your EIN, registered agent, all of those sorts of things, so that you don't have to pay any more than the $49 which IncFile is going to charge you. And this just happens to be the Virginia state filing fee here of $100. Every state is going to charge you whatever they charge by law, so there's no way to really get around that. And there you have it. Go ahead and put in your payment information, click complete and pay, and you are ready to go with your LLC. It should take about 15 to 30 days for IncFile to go through, register your LLC, and send you all of your information. And at that point, you're ready to get started making money.
All right, thanks for joining me on how to form your own LLC with IncFile. This is Derek with MoneyAhoy.com. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, just leave them down below. I check the comment section every couple of days, and I'm standing by to answer any questions that you may have. If you'd like to see other types of videos or you have further questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to throw those together for you. Again, this is Derek with MoneyAhoy.com. Thanks for watching.